sorted in non-decreasing order. Return an array of the squares of each number sorted in non-decreasing order. This problem is Leetcode easy, and we're using arrays. The data structure used in this problem is an array. If this was a real interview, I would be asking a clarifying question, which would be first is, are the negative numbers included in this array, or are these just positive numbers? And since the problem states that integers, I'm assuming that there are negative numbers considered. So if you have to consider both negative numbers and positive numbers, you will really want to compare the square of a negative number with the square of a positive number. Since you know that this array is sorted from negative number to positive number in increasing order, you essentially want to compare the left square with the right square. And I want to make a resulting array of that's for at first all zeros, and the length of the array is the length of nums. And after comparing the left square with the right square, whichever is bigger, I'm going to set to the last element of the resulting array, and then I'm going to decrement this pointer, and then I will want to either increment or decrement the left or right pointer depending on which square is bigger. Let me show you in code. So I have my left pointer, which I'll call left, and my right pointer, which will be pointing to the last element of my nums array. I'll also have a index value, which is also equal to nums minus 1. So I'm going to create my resulting array, which would be a series of zeros, repeated the length of nums times. So I'm going to have a while loop. So while my left pointer is less than or equal to my right pointer, in my while loop I am going to get my squares, my left square, which will be nums left times nums left, and my right square equals nums right times nums right. So now I want to compare my left square with my right square. If my left square is larger than my right square, you know that that left square belongs to the very last place of my resulting array. So I just set my resulting array equal to my left square, and then I'll decrement I'll increment my left pointer. Else, I'm going to set my the last element equal to my right square, because my right square is bigger, and then I'm going to decrement my right pointer, and I'm going to keep on decrementing k every time. So now let's return my result and see what we get. Index. It works for this test case. So it's faster at 19%. So let's talk about runtime and space complexity. The big O of this problem regarding the time would be O of n, because I'm essentially looping through my nums array once, going through it, I'm looping through it and just once. So I have a one while loop. So that's all I'm doing, and so the runtime will be O of n, and space complexity of this will also be O of n, because my result takes up n elements space, a space of n elements, because it's the length of my nums array. Thanks, guys.